You're doing everything right. You hit the gym, you skip the dessert, you fill your shopping cart with healthy, natural, low-fat foods, but the numbers on the scale just won't budge. It's one of the most frustrating feelings on the weight loss journey. What if I told you the problem isn't your willpower? What if the real culprits are hiding in plain sight, disguised as your allies? Today, we're going into the weight loss battlefield to unmask 5 dietary villains that are secretly wrecking your progress. Welcome to Lose Zone. First up, the one everyone thinks is the pinnacle of health, a tall, refreshing glass of fruit juice. We see oranges being squeezed, we think vitamin C. We see a green smoothie, we think detox. But the reality is a little less sunny. When you juice a fruit, you strip away its most valuable defender, the fiber. What you're left with is a highly concentrated blast of sugar, fructose, that hits your liver all at once. An 8-ounce glass of apple juice can have the same amount of sugar as a can of soda. Your body barely recognizes the difference. The Lose Zone fix: eat your fruit. Don't drink it. The fiber in a whole apple or orange will keep you full for hours and slow down the sugar release. Craving a smoothie? Make it at home with a base of unsweetened almond milk, a scoop of protein, and only a half a cup of fruit. The granola bar. The perfect on-the-go snack for the health-conscious person, right? It's got oats, it's got nuts, it's got a shocking amount of sugar, processed oils, and syrups holding it all together. It's not a health food. For most brands, it's a candy bar wearing a hiking jacket. That quick energy burst you feel is a sugar spike, which is always followed by a crash that leaves you feeling hungry and tired just an hour later. It's a vicious cycle. The Lose Zone fix. Look for bars with less than 5 grams of sugar and ingredients you can actually pronounce. Better yet, grab a handful of raw almonds and a piece of dark chocolate. All the crunch, none of the crash. Okay, mind blown yet? We're only 2 villains in, and we're just getting started. If you're tired of being fooled by marketing tricks and want the real, no-nonsense truth about weight loss, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. We expose secrets like this every single week. Next on our list is yogurt. It's packed with protein and probiotics, a superfood. And it is, until the food companies turn it into a dessert. That little container of peach, strawberry, or vanilla-flavored yogurt can have over 15 to 25 grams of added sugar. You might as well be eating a bowl of ice cream for breakfast. The Lose Zone fix. This one is easy and delicious. Buy plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. It has double the protein and 0 added sugar. Then add your own flavor. A handful of fresh berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a tiny drizzle of honey. You control the sweetness, and you get all the benefits. Our 4th villain is a ghost from the past that still haunts our grocery stores: the low-fat label. In the 80s and 90s, we were taught that fat was the enemy. So food companies stripped the fat out of everything. Salad dressings, cookies, mayonnaise. But here's the dirty secret. When you take out the fat, you take out the flavor and texture. So what did they replace it with? You guessed it. Sugar, salt, and a host of chemical thickeners. These low-fat products often have more calories than their full-fat counterparts and are far less satisfying, leading you to eat more. The Lose Zone fix. Embrace healthy fats. They keep you full and are essential for hormone health. Choose the full-fat version of salad dressing made with olive oil. Eat real butter, not margarine. Your body will thank you by feeling satisfied for longer. Finally, the villain that tricked almost everyone: agave nectar. It comes from a plant. It's marketed as a low-glycemic, diabetic-friendly alternative to sugar. It sounds perfect. But the truth is, the way it's processed makes it dangerously high in one specific type of sugar, fructose. In fact, it's about 85% fructose, which is even higher than high fructose corn syrup. This type of sugar is processed almost entirely by your liver and is a key driver in creating belly fat. It's the definition of a health halo food. The lose zone fix. If you need a touch of sweetness, use a tiny amount of raw honey or pure maple syrup. But the ultimate pro move is to train your taste buds to appreciate less sweetness overall. A few weeks without these sugar bombs and you'll be amazed at how sweet a simple piece of fruit tastes. So there you have it. Fruit juice, granola bars, flavored yogurts, low-fat junk, and agave nectar. 5 saboteurs unmasked. The key takeaway is simple. Always read the label and question the marketing. The food industry isn't always on your side, but we are. Winning the weight loss battle is about being smarter, not just trying harder. If you're ready to arm yourself with the knowledge to finally reach your goals, then make sure you subscribe to Lose Zone and turn on notifications. You are one click away from transforming your journey. Don't forget the description area of this video. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these foods shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And check out this next video on screen for more tips to accelerate your results. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.